Hello, today I'm doing a review on this portable car screen. It is gonna help me get a CarPlay in my car that doesn't have it. So what the package includes is the screen itself. It has a USB-C where you connect it to power. There is a audio output and there is a input for the backup camera. Then we have one stand for the screen if you want it, without moving. And then you have a suction cup which is adjustable, which most likely we're gonna use in my car. We also have a backup camera and the wiring for it. And there is a bracket that goes on the license plate, but we're not gonna use this today. This is the power charger. It goes into the lighter, and then with the USB-C it needs to connect to the screen. Then you have an audio cable that connects, so you can connect the screen to your audio jack, and a tool that's gonna help you route the wire for the backup camera. Okay, so I have this installed here with the suction cup, and now it's prompting me to set it up. So English language, and we have the main page. So in order to connect, you have to go to CarPlay, and then you have to go to your phone and activate the Bluetooth feature. So it's prompting me to enable my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and connect to the device, which over here is T86B43CD. And for every device it's different, it's unique for each device. So basically what you do, you go to your phone, you go to Bluetooth and search for this new device. Okay, it's right here. You click on it and it's connecting. It's wanting me to pair it. So pair, allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow it. And it connects here. I have something going on here. So right now I have the CarPlay connected, and I have the maps, I have music, I have my phone contacts. So everything was pretty easy to connect, and now I have CarPlay in my car.